So by not being able to handle her family's farm and feeling like she had to sell it, it lowered her self-efficacy and that she believed that she was a failure in that regards. When looking at Erikson's psychosocial theory, there are some serious limitations. And the first limitation is that this does not consider how someone who isn't following the typical societal norms of the time develops. And in my example, this is Jane being a single mother. And during that time, this was not something that was accepted. So she didn't have the support from the community. And I think that that is a limitation, and that we don't climb these ladders of the stages in the same way that someone else might. Additionally, I had to define her successes and challenges from the interview. And although this didn't necessarily pose as impossible, it's a little uncomfortable defining what someone else may consider to be a success and what they may consider to be a challenge. And if I were to ask her, my interviewee, to write out her successes and challenges, it would maybe even look completely different than the ones that I chose. Or if someone else listened to my recorded interview, they may choose different successes and challenges. So it's difficult to measure these things as part of Erikson's psychosocial theory and to all be on the same page about it. And finally, these are my references. And I want to thank everyone for taking the time to listen to my older adult oral presentation. And thanks.